Assalamu Walaikum. In this video, how to merge cells in Google Sheets. Let's begin. First, I will open your Google spreadsheet. Then create a new file or open in a file. Then select on cell, press Ctrl V or type and see this. Select on cell to cell, merge cells. Select and drag on your mouse. Merge three cells. Select merge cells and align within. Okay, and see this again. Merge cells. Again select merge cells. That's it. Thanks for watching video. Please subscribe to my channel, like, comment, share.